Hey, what's up everybody? Shannon from Warthog Overland, and we finally deleted the rear seat. Now we did DIY this. There's tons of plans out there that people have done, but everybody's been going level with the cup holders. If you have nobody back there, why are you using the cup holders? So we raised it because I wanted deeper bins. 12 inches tall from the floor, and from the top of the seat delete to the ceiling. Our German Shepherd actually gained 3 inches. So built this with 3 bins. This bin is mostly camping stuff, but still got a lot of filling to do. This third one holds our chairs. And it holds 2 Helinox chairs, raincoats. This one is all my recovery gear. There is 2 kinetic ropes in there, the tree saver, soft shackles. Got plenty of room. So there is our seat delete. Cost us about 220 bucks in materials. And thanks to my wife Jamie for getting some of these angles drawn out for me. It was a lifesaver. So seat delete is done. Now after removing the seats, it was time to make a template. Made a template out of cardboard, kind of like everybody else has been doing. But after getting all the measurements and doing all the cuts needed, the most difficult part was the sides. The top was kind of easy, but the sides needed to bring in my wife Jamie to help me on this one. She made paper templates to help with this process, which made my life much easier. It is all done. We're very happy with it. And so is our dog. Here it is in puppy mode. Nitro meet YouTube. Thanks for watching. My name's Shannon. This is Warthog Overland.